You searched how to buy shares of Atenor SA. Atenor is a Belgian real estate developer listed on Euronext under the ticker ATEB.BR. This video shows the steps to locate that listing and buy the stock. This is for educational purposes and not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ATEB.BR to find Atenor SA. Confirm you are selecting the Euronext listing that matches the company details shown. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to confirm it's the correct Atenor SA listing. Check the market and exchange details before proceeding. To invest, click Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the demonstration link is in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.